taking an afternoon walk, and I forgot again to do my video that I usually do at the end of my long runs today. So I'm making it now. Today was a 5-miler. I figured it was going to be a short run because last week was the 17-miler, and usually after I have a really long run one weekend, the next weekend is way short. So I was kind of expecting that. It was a good recovery run. Again, it was 5 miles today. In total this week, I did a little over 12 miles. So next week, I'm expecting another really long run. I don't know, it might be 20, to be honest, but I'll be recovered and ready for it. Nothing changed this week as far as my strength training went. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, same strength training. Let's see, Tuesday, Thursdays, I did my normal about 30-minute run each. Friday, which was yesterday, I did do a 1-mile run, and I've been doing that for a while. A really light, easy 1-mile run. I've been working that in this training season around. Last training season, I didn't do that. I just strictly ran 3 times a week, the Tuesday, Thursday, and then either a Saturday or Sunday. So this time around, it's just, an additional mile that I'm working in each week. And I mean, it feels good. Doesn't really feel like, anything extra. So, I'm feeling pretty safe with that. Like, I'm not really increasing my miles a ton. So I like that because I'm a stickler for not taking too many risks such that I could have an injury, because nobody wants injuries, right? Trying to do this to stay healthy and enjoy it. So I want to make sure that I'm treating my body as best that I can, and listening to it. Also with that said, I always do my stretching afterwards, after all of my runs. I tend not to stretch before I run. I do like a warm-up, a dynamic warm-up, which is really like a fast-paced walk and a very light jog before I get into my runs. And then again afterwards, then I do like full stretches. I used to stretch before my runs, like years ago. I mean, I was taught to stretch, before workouts, like back in school. But recently, well, not really like recent, but over the last couple of years, lots of studies in the scientific journals, and sports medicine, journals that I read say, that it's better to do dynamic exercise, whether it be like, walking or a light jog before, anything, light movement wise, before you really get into your workout. So that's what I've been doing. I did have my water pack with me when I ran today. I usually take that when I'm doing anything more than like 30 minutes, just to keep my hydration up. So, I mean, that was that. Keeping this short. I'll end it right there. Sorry that the video is so long. Today I'm looking at it, I don't know, a little over 3 to 4 minutes, but I will try to keep them short. So I will stop right here, and hopefully I'll see you next time. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Share it with somebody who's a runner, and I'll see you out in these fitness streets.